What up, folk? Boston Black, popsholistics.com. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to make a green juice. Basically, I've already washed everything. Got my juicer set up. This will be the first time I'm using it. Normally I use my Omega. I got my commercial juice on order, just ain't came yet, so I figured I'd buy another one and give this one a test. Okay, we're gonna start this out by using the kale, but before I start out, I also wanna add my strainer. This is one of the things about, or one of the issues when you start purchasing less expensive juices. My Omega came with a strainer to help strain out your finished product just a little bit better. So this one didn't come with it, so I add my own. But this one came with nice size cups. My Canary came with these little juice cups. I couldn't even understand why. But anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and get started with this and see how fast we can get it done. I got more vegetables inside, but we're gonna start with this. Get most of the greens done and some of the celery and apples. What do you know? Okay, we're back. We basically got everything soaking in the, we cleaned everything up over here. Got everything soaking in the sink as to not allow the pulp to dry up in any of the parts. Very important. Make your cleanup job 1000% easier. What we ended up with was 2 quarts, 64 ounces. To this, we're gonna add a shot of fermented ginger or fermented ginger shots to each one of my 12-ounce bottles. And then we'll add my juice. So first we're gonna do that. So it's 4 strains just to make sure we get the cleanest juice possible. Put them in the freezer for 10 minutes to rapidly start the rapid cooling process, then take them out of the freezer and put them into the refrigerator. There we have it, folks. Soft greens done with the Freta Juicer. You can find it on Amazon. Peace.